Welcome to the Solid Expert Technical Tip. My name is Ghislain Lacombe, and today I will address the topic of Novelty 2018 3D Interconnect. The name says it, this novelty allows to keep the link with imported native files such as Solid Edge, ProE, CATIA. Note that the 3D Interconnect option is under General Option, Import, Enable 3D Interconnect. This is checked by default. So when you install SOLIDWORks, it will be by default. This means, for example, that if you open a ProE file with SOLIDWORks with the 3D Interconnect option, SOLIDWORks will open the file and keep the link with ProE. When it is activated, you can see a specific icon for the imported part. Like I will show you here. We open a ProE file. And as you can see, the icon here represents 3D Interconnect. In other words, if you edit the ProE file, SOLIDWORks will forward the changes on opening. In addition, SOLIDWORks function can be added to the file. For example, if I add a feature here, you can see that he added it just after the icon 3D Interconnect. The new feature must remain with the same faces or else the link will be broken. This means that if this face in the ProE file change, you will lose the link with the new feature in SOLIDWORks. So it's very important to plan the design so that the faces used in SOLIDWORks after the import remains the same. Some customers would prefer the old way, so you just close here. You just have to go and unselect in the option, Import, Enable 3D Interconnect. Then when you will open the ProE file, choosing Import, you will have the same previous way as 2017. You will see the import. Thank you. It was the Solid Expert Technical Tip.